Here's a walk around video for my 1980 Series 1 Lotus Elite. Had this car a couple of years, done quite a bit of work to it, but it's got to go because I've got another project in the garage, so it's a shame for it to sit out in the drive. The engine, twin 45 Dolores, K&N filters, it's got electronic ignition, new coil, proper ballast, new timing belt, water pump, cooling system is flushed, recent oil and filter change. I'll do a wee sound check in a wee while, a few minutes. Inside it's got Mazda MX-5 leather front seats, pretty mint. Back seats original, it's usable really, cloths presentable. Mountain steering wheel, it's got temporary switches for the electric window. The electric windows work fine, but it's got temporary switches from Marblin. Proper switches are a tenner each from Lotus Bits. 5-speed manual box. Power steering's been deleted, but it's not too bad. A bit heavy at part speeds. Original. The carpets were rotten, carpets and soundproofing, so I just ripped them out and thrown them in the bin. It's pretty much a running, driving project car. Kind of ongoing. Flip open fuel filler caps, one either side. It's pretty cool. Twin exhausts. Original wheels. Non-standard door mirrors. They don't look too bad, right period. So, I'll start it up. Oh, this the door was sagging when I got it quite bad, so I rebuilt the hinges. It's got a stainless steel hinge pin and bush kit. That was a hell of a job. The other gauges work fine. Starts fine from cold, just pump the throttle 4 or 5 times. There's no choke in the carbs. Obviously when it's hot you don't touch the throttle. Voltmeter goes up, it's just over 13 volts. Oil pressure is fine. Doesn't overheat, sits fine in traffic, just over 90 degrees. Exhausts are straight through. They're pretty noisy, but you don't want a car like this to be quiet. Reconditioned drive shafts, powder blue springs, powder blue bottom arms with poly bushes. One of the brake pipes are pretty fresh. The rear brakes were done before I got the car 2 years ago, and that was a hell of a job, but this has got to come out. The chassis is all solid, undersealed. Nice Elites and the Clats are now going for Series 1s are 5-6 grand, some case 7 grand. This car's a running, driving, ongoing project with no major issues, probably condition 2 maybe, so I'm going to value it about 3 grand. As I say, it'll be advertised in Glasgow, Gumtree and maybe eBay in the next week or so. So I hope you've found this interesting. So thanks for watching.